Okay guys, back at it. I'm Jamaican RC back at it again. Today I'm going to prepare for you guys um ackee and chicken breast with chicken breast in rice, but it's going to be a one pot meal or a seasoned rice, but we call it in Jamaica a one pot meal. Yeah, that's what we call it, one pot meal, but it's actually a seasoned rice and so forth. So I'm going to show you how I prepared it. But first, before I do so, I'm going to sanitize the area that I'm using. So this is my space right here that I'm going to use. My stove as well. So I'm going to sanitize the area first. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the Clorox bleach. I'm going to spray a little on the counter, on the stove top as well. Yes, because what we're trying to get rid of the germs. Because you know it's the corona season, so not only because of the corona season, but we're trying to get rid of the germs. So always practice to sanitize your area before you start doing what you're doing. Okay, you got a little bit of stop it. Okay guys, so this is what's on the menu today. I got right here, this is my chicken breast, already diced up and seasoned up already, ready to go. My ackee, my coconut milk, I got my rice right here, my sweet peppers, my hot peppers, my garlic, thyme, and my escallion. These are all the ingredients that I needed for my one pot meal today. That's all I need. Okay, so catch you back in a few. Alright guys, you can see my pot is already ready. This is my oil. I'm going to saute my chicken. I'm going to show you how I do it, because I like to saute the chicken first. So here I'm putting in. This is all diced up. So I'm sauteing the breast. This is my chicken breast that I'm sauteing. Yeah, I want to see the fire's on low. I don't want it medium, I don't want it too high. Remember, as I said, clean as you go. Chicken stuff. Yeah. I'm washing it out. Okay guys, this is I use a spatula so I can get under it better. I'll just keep on turning it for a couple minutes, because I want it to get the golden brown. I want it to be golden brown. Guys, this is my ackee and my coconut milk already in my pack, and those black stuff that you're seeing are pimento seed or allspice and a piece of ginger. Okay, here is a finishing touch on the chicken, so I'm going to put it in there for it to boil a little bit with the ackee and the coconut milk. Cover it back. Cover it back. These are my already washed seasoning that I'm going to put in the pot. Yeah, so I'm going to cut them up and get them ready for the pot. So right here, I'll start cutting. Stop it. Okay guys, these are my cut up season for my pot. Yeah, so I'm gonna put them in the pot. Yeah, it's hard to use one and put it in the pot. Okay, now for my salt. Remember, taste as you go. Yeah, guys, this is my pot. Yeah, can smell the fragrance popping out of the pot. Yeah, and this is my already washed rice, so I'm gonna put it in the pot. Alright, guys, this is the final look. Yeah, this is the final look, guys. That's it. Yum yum.